Hi all, welcome back to the flow series. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send the email from record triggered flow. So email notification is one of the very important action we used in the workflow. We are using workflow and process builder to send the email notifications, right? So when you are migrating the workflow and process builder, you should know how to send the email notifications from the flow. So uh, I have an employee object. So here I have employee email as well. So I'm going to create one record triggered flow. So earlier we seen about the screen flows. So this is record triggered flow. So whenever a record is created or edited or deleted, you can call a flow. So using that flow, we are going to send the email notification to the employee. Okay. So here, go to setup. Go to flows. Click new flow. So in the flow type, we should choose record triggered flow. Create. So here we need to choose for which object we are going to create this flow. I'm using employee. So here you need to choose when the flow should be called. The record is created, updated or deleted. So I'm choosing record is created or updated. Set entry condition. So if you want to set any conditions like the email notification should go only if the country equal to India, or if the employee status equal to new or something like that, you can add the conditions. So I'll show you how to add the condition. I'm just using all conditions here. Country equals to India. So if the condition meets, then only the flow will be executed. Okay. So here, this is similar to our workflow evaluation criteria. Here we need to choose how many times you want to execute this action. So I want to execute this when a particular condition is met. So here, if you want to update the same object records, you can go with this one. So I want to use different actions. The email, sending an email is a different action. So I am using this one. So we have created a flow. Here we need to add the send email action. So click on the plus symbol. So here you can choose action. The action, search email, send the email. Okay. So this is the email action. Here in the label, employee. Here this is the input variables for the email action. This is the body. So in our workflow email notification, we first create the email templates, then we will use the email templates in our email notification. So here, instead of email template, we can configure the body in the content in the body. So I'm going to create one resource, one variable. Click on the new resource. Click text template. Okay. Okay. This is the body. Here we need to create the content similar to our email template. Hi. So I'm going to send this email notification to the employee only, right? So I need to address the employee. So I need to populate the employee name dynamically. So you can use the insert a resource. You can go to the employee record. From the record, you can choose whatever the value you want to populate. So I need a name. I need the employee name. So this is record dot name. You can type. So hi, employee name, so I'm sending employee ID. So you can refer any fields from the employee record. So what, not only these two, you can add any fields from the employee record. For example, I'm just referring to record dot date of birth. Record employee ID. Okay. These are the two values I want to send in my email notification. Okay. Click done. So we have created a body now in the subject. Email. So here, you need to provide for which email address you want to send the email notification. So if you have stored the email addresses in a different variable in our flow, you can use this option. But I am going to select the email template, email value from my record. So here I can choose global variable and record dot email. We are going to send this email notification to our employee email, right? Employee only, right? So I'm choosing record dot email. So if you want to include other email address like your internal user or any other email address also, you can provide with the comma separator. So I have chosen only the email, user email. So in your text template, you always choose this one. Set global constant as true. Otherwise, your email will contain only the HTML templates, HTML tags instead of the text. So you should choose this option. Click done. So we have added our action. That's it. Click save. Save it. Activate it. So it is active now. I'll go to the employee object. I will create one new record. gmail.com. Click save. Sorry, I should have chosen the country as India. Since our flow, we have added the condition as entry criteria as country equal to India. So if I choose USA, you will not receive the email. So I'm choosing India. Clicking save. See, I got the email notification from the flow. So this is the body, the text template we have created within our flow. You can see I got the same text. Hi Durai, your employee record has been created for you. Please find the details. So we should have avoided the spaces. We have provided the spaces. That's why in the space it is showing with the extra spaces. The employee ID. You can see the employee ID is 0043. The date of birth is same. The date of birth whatever we have given. So it came in our email. So this is how you can use the send email action to send the email notification whenever a new record is created or the existing record is modified. Thank you.